Hey there, internet friends. It's Jason from Drink the Paint Water, where we talk about art, life as an illustrator, and lately I've been doing something I like to call daily wins, where I just take a second to express gratitude for something that worked out today. Today is day number 48 of us doing these daily wins, and it is New Year's Day 2022, so Happy New Year to all who celebrate. Anywho, today's daily win is a special shout out to my nerd friends while leveling up my 6th level paladin in Dungeons and Dragons. I rolled a 9 out of a possible 10. So on a d10, I rolled a 9 for extra hit points. That is my win for the day. Take that, Count Stradvan Zarevich. We're coming for you, you jabroni! All right, friends, what are your wins? Or any plans you have for the year? Or what's the best you've ever rolled for hit points for your nerdy D&D characters? I care about all that stuff, and I want to see it in the comments. All right, jabronis, have a good year.